complex definition, complex in a sentence, complex pronunciation, complex meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of complex. Complex. Com-plex. Complex. Complex as an adjective means consisting of many different and connected parts assembled in advanced ways, or difficult to understand. Common usages in academic writing: a complex problem, a complex network, complex research, a complex experiment. Example sentence: complex adjective. The supercomputer was originally designed to solve complex mathematical problems, but has since been adapted for use in medical 3D modeling. Example sentence number 2, the researchers tried to replace a complex solution with a simpler one. Please write a sentence using complex in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use complex confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.